David Stark with the Bay East Association of Realtors. I'm here with Joran Levine, Chief Economist for the California Association of Realtors. Jordan, you just shared some insights with a few thousand realtors here at the fall conference about why you're bullish and positive about residential real estate markets. I mean, Jordan, why are you so positive given everything that's going on?
Yeah, even with these high rates, we've seen that actually sales have already started to come back, and we think that's going to continue. The Fed did nothing yesterday, and we think that eventually, as we progress deeper in the year, rates are going to start to come down. I think that will not only help buyers, but most importantly, it's going to help some supply come back online, and I think that's really the limiting factor. As soon as we get those listings, we're going to be able to see more transactions.
All right, there's some good news from Joran Levine from C.A.R. If you have any questions about what's going on in real estate markets locally, visit www.bayeast.org for our local market resources information under the community information section of our website. Jordan, thanks so much.
Thank you.